You have the same answer? Number 1 is greater than? Okay, so number 1 is greater than. Number 2, you can use a what? You can use a blank to compare number. What do you pick? Okay, so number 2, close. What do you pick? You can use what can you use to compare the number line?
So you don't think because you read fast, Mr. Todd won't catch little mistakes, okay?
Number line. Number 3, there are 5 blank in the number 35,024 digit, right? 35 digit, 5 digit. Digit is a number. Number 4, 392,903 equal to. You got that one? Okay, equal to. Got number 5. The blank of 32,052 is 32,052. The what? So make sure you cross out the one in the box that you used already. Okay. So what should I fill that in? So you see they write the number and after that they write in a word. So what we should use? Word form, right? Because they say it in word, so we call word form. The other one you call that a standard form, right? Okay. Now, number 6, the blank of 853,025 is 800,000 plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 20 plus 5 is what? What you call that one? Expanded form, correct? Number 6 is expanded form. Then you write it in the place value, the value of the digit. Expanded form. Number 7, blank is the value given to a digit by its position in a number. A what? I get the wrong. I get the different one. Eva, do you get the place value? The place value is the value given to a digit by its position in a number. For example, if I say this one is 5, that means 5 ones, correct? Tell me they have 5 ones. This one, this number tell me that the 3, 10 is 30, correct? Okay, so place value. Number 8, the name given to each group of 3 digits on the place value chart is called a period, correct? Number 9.
No, 9 is period.
No, number 8 is period. Number 9, 13,062 is, they write it in numbers. So what do you call it when you write numbers in a digit number? Standard form. So we have 3 forms to write the number, to say the number. Standard form, expanded form, and word form, right? Standard form.
You didn't use an N, you used an R.
Which one? Standard form. Number 10. 473,503 is less than, correct? So it's that. Okay, so are we done with that page? Okay. What else do you need to do? What page? Can you read the page number? Page 50? Okay. Write 239,804 in standard form. Standard form, that means the number, correct? So how do you write it?
200.
So let's see if your answer is, can I erase this one? Yes? Can I erase all of these?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So now try your best to write that in standard form and then check with my answer. Okay, it's number 11. The first number I have is
It's 139.
239,800. What next?
4.
What number do I have?
0,
4. Right? Because we don't have 10 here. Are you correct, Ava?
Wait, do I like put a plus after 9?
No, yeah, plus. Oh, no, not plus. That's say, write 239,804 in standard form. And now you will write in standard form. So, those semicolon standard form. What is the value of this one? Of 2.
Standard form is with the plus.
Yeah, but the first number in standard form. So you understand? Now next you will write in Spanish form. So how do I write in Spanish form? We write the place value of each digit. So what is this value?
2.
To what?
200,000.
200,000. Okay, plus what is the place value of this one? What is the value of this digit, number 3? Tell me.
30,000.
What is that?
30,000.
This is 10,000, so it will be 30,000 plus
9,000.
9,000. Eva, are you with us?
800.
Plus 800 plus
4.
this one we don't have it, so plus 4.
It says that the 0 doesn't count.
0 doesn't count. So do you get correct?
Oh, I forgot that. I didn't.
Okay, so correct it. Remember, if it says standing form, you write the value of each digit number in the number. Okay, are we good? 200,000 plus 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 800 and plus 4. Okay. Raise your hand if you are done. Thank you.
15 minutes after 9, right?
After this one, you have any question, you still don't get it, just feel free to ask me, okay? Because after this, is that your chapter test? Okay, you get it? Good job. I love to hear that. Now, number 12. What side do you write?
Oh.
So what side do you write? This one, you need to compare the number. Okay, tell me, Ava, what side? Greater than or less than or equal?
Greater than.
Close.
Greater than.
Okay, so good. Now if you guys have the same answer, we don't need to review it, right? So skip. So greater than, number 13, close. What side?
Less than.
Ava, do you have the same?
I mean greater than, sorry.
You have greater than? Okay. So Ava, do you have the same answer?
Yeah.
You have the same answer? Okay, mine is different from yours. Okay, what is the first number? 515 and 63, right? 515,063, correct?
The same.
Correct? Am I right? The number correct?
It's less than.
It's in 515, 603. 515,603. Now, because you guys don't have the same answer, so we need to go over. So when you compare the number, first digit the same, what do we do? Keep going. This number the same, what do we do?
Keep going.
Keep going. This number the same, what do we do?
Keep going.
This number different. We start, and now we will see. This one is bigger. So this number will be less than, not greater. Correct? So correct this one.
I got number 14 correct.
Okay. Ready? Close, did you correct it? Less than. Okay. So that is how you compare the number, each digit number at a time. Number 14, what do you have?
Equal to.
Equal to. You both the same?
Yep.
Okay. Number 15, what do you have, Eva?
Less than.
What side do you have there in the circle?
Bigger than.
Bigger than. What side do you have in the circle? Close. Huh? Okay, so one said bigger, one said less.
Well, greater than.
So raise your hand if you vote for greater than. 1, 2. Okay, so let's say I have 405,032, right? Compared with 450,002, correct? Am I correct? Okay, look up here. We do together so we know. Compare 4 and 4. Keep going. 0 and 5. Stop. So which one bigger? This number bigger, so the size is less than. Correct? Any questions so far? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to make sure it's okay to get it wrong. But after we do together, I make sure that you understand it, how to do it. Okay? So when it's your real test, they just
We have a math
they,
test.
yeah, they just give you different number, but the strategies is the same. Ready for the next one? Where's number 16? Round 415,203 to the thousand place. Okay, the thousand place. What number do you get? Give me your answer. Ava, what is your answer?
4.
Read the whole. What is your answer? For 100,
400,000. It's 400,000.
400,000 like this, right? Close. What is your answer? Read your answer.
17.
For 417,000,
No, are you on 17?
17,000 only.
No, are we on?
Now we are on 16. I'm asking 16. We are not on 16 yet. So what is your answer for 16? Number 16. Round into the nearest thousand.
4,000.
4,000 only.
400.
400. So both of you will get 400,000. Correct? Let me see. Let's do it. What is the thousand value? Which one? What number should I underline?
5.
Thousand place value.
4.
Okay, so this is 1. This is 10. This is 100. This is
1,000.
1,000. Okay, so this number you should underline. So you underline the 1,000. And then look at the number before it. Okay? So this number is less than 5. Stay the same. So this will be 415,000. So you think that we should practice more for the rounding because most of you get it wrong? Or you think you will be okay?
I can't see.
What makes you got to 400? What makes you get to the answer 400,000? Can you explain to me so I know how you think?
4,000.
4, so you get 4. So I think you maybe, no, how do you get to 400,000 close? So what number you underline?
The 5.
The 5? No, your work before.
4.
You under the 4. Okay. The 4 is this one is 100,000. The place value of that is 100,000. 100,000, 10,000, 1,000. Correct? Okay. So I will bring you guys more for this work. So you need to practice more. Can you Sim, don't give me the answer while you get that one. Okay, next number 17. The 3 is in the what place? So this is 537,280. They ask you the value of the three. What is the place? Tell me. 10,000, correct? You get this right. 10,000. Can you write down 10,000? Now they will ask you the 7. This number 7. What is the place value of this number? 7 is what? Oh, the what is in the thousand place? Which one is in the thousand place? What number? In, yeah, 7. So you write number 7 in that blank. The 8 in that number has a value of 8 times what? This 8 times what?
8 times.
Close 8 times what?
8 times.
So this is the 1, correct? This is the 10. So 8 times what?
You can see exactly what number it is.
10. This is the place value 10, right? So this will be 8. This 8 means 80, right? So 8 times 10. Do you understand why we have 10 here? And your eyes always out in the window. I don't know why, because now the problem is you are here for us to help you with this one. If you are not listening, you look outside for recess. Do you think that you can do this work in your classroom? No, you cannot, because you get some of them wrong. That means we want to make sure you understand how to do it. Do I make myself clear about it? If I see your eyes out for recess, I will keep you the whole recess and make up with my time. And I want to give you extra one to help to do it before you go back to your class. If you don't get 80%, we continue with the old lesson. We continue until you pass it. Do I make sense? If you don't pass it, we cannot keep moving on, right? We need to stop where you stop. So we review and review and review. Okay, so this is the 10. That means you times 10. Okay? Next one. Number 20. The 3 has a value of what? So the 3 has a value of what? 3 times what? So this is 1, 10, 100. 1,000. 10,000. So times what? Times 10,000.
I know this, but I can't just think of it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's there's 5 more minutes. 12. Oh, 5.
Number 21. The blank has a value of 5 times 100,000. 5 times 100,000. Which one? Which one is 5 times 100,000? What number which number in this number? So go with me. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So what number? 5. So that's 5 in the blank. Next, 22. The what is the 100 place? So what number is the 100 place? Ava, what number is the 100 place? 2. Are you agree? So this, look with me. 1, 10, 100. So the 2. Correct? Ava, you good? Okay. Number 23. The digit in each place has a value that is what blank times a greater as it has in the place to its right. So what the first one you fill in? The digit in each place has a value that is how many times great as it has the place to its right. So the digit in each place has a value that is, this is the right one, correct? And this is, So this value has how many greater than this one?
It's 11:14.
How many?
11:14. Yeah.
How many? 10. It's the 10 of the right. So this is the right. You see, the left one is 10 times greater than us. It has the place to x right.
11:35. Perfect.
Ready?
Almost. What was this one?
Okay. Which one? What number? You need to tell me the number.
21.
21. That is the 5. Has the value of 5. 5 times 100,000. Write number 5 in that blank. Right? Is that what your question? What's your question? Yeah, that's fine. 5 and 5, so you put 2 5s in there. The first blank is 5, the second blank is 5. Correct? Okay, so order the number from the greatest to the least. Greatest to the least. Did we go over with this already, guys? Yes? Okay, so let me hope that you are correct. Okay, so I have an idea that we need to redo the routing. Now number 24, what is the greatest? Tell me. Read that number.
3,570.
Good. That's the correct one. Close, you get it right?
Where? 24?
Yes.
Okay, and
Yeah. Wait. No. I didn't write it down.
because put 8:45.
Because we're for 374,073.
Yes.
Can we
go? Because it was like 3 minutes or 2. Sorry, 4 minutes.
So you need to go to the restroom and come back here before the bell, whatever time you go. Okay? Do you think you use the restroom in 3 minutes? The restroom right next door. I believe that you use less than 3 minutes, correct? Then just come here and then at time you can go. Okay? Or if it's time 10, I will let you go. Okay? Or if you see your friends always that you can go. Okay, next one. So the first number, order the number from greatest. So let's go with this way. So the first blank is 374,372, correct? The next one will be 374,273.
Now you guys can keep it.
The third one will be 347,732. Okay.
Guys, it's time for recess. Okay.
Okay, so you keep that paper here. We'll continue tomorrow.
No, I have to bring it back to show her that we haven't finished it yet.
Okay, so you can show her that you need to work on the number 24, okay? Okay.